Hi guys, this is Dr. Mike D. So guys, may tanong tayo. Ano ba daw ang mga acids na pinaka-best sa acne-prone, sensitive, and Filipino skin? In my experience guys, dalawa po ang nagsistand out. Number one, salicylic acid and azelaic acid. Kasi number one, yung salicylic acid guys is the only acid that can penetrate deep into your hair follicles and extract the sebum and all the dirt na nag-accumulate po sa pores ninyo. It is the only acid that can break down yung mga namuong mga clogs or nagdidikit-dikit na mga skin cells na nagkakos ng bara sa inyong mga pores. That's why po nagkakaroon ng accumulation ng sebum kasi nagkakaroon po tayo ng mga nagbabara-bara ng mga skin cells. And when that happens, everything follows. Nagkakaroon ng pagdami ng mga bacteria and fungus, and then inflammation, and eventually acne. So, if you have salicylic acid that can break down all those things, hindi mag-accumulate yung mga elements na yun and maiiwasan ang risk for acne. And also, yung azelaic acid, guys, aside from its mild exfoliating effects, meron din itong anti-inflammatory and mild antimicrobial effects. So, perfect yan sa mga Filipino acne. Dahil yung mga acne natin, meron talaga yung usually combination ng bacteria and fungus. Pero guys, alam nyo ba na may subset ng mga Filipinos na hindi talaga sila makatolerate even ng azelaic acid. That's why we formulated an acne toner na may derivative ng azelaic acid. Gentler but as effective as your azelaic acid. That's no other than potassium azelaic diglycinate. So, if you combine salicylic acid with potassium azelaic diglycinate, synergistic po sila, mas nagiging pabida po, mas nagiging mas effective sila compared to either one alone. And when you actually combine them, guys, mas less ang chances ng irritation. Alright, guys, for more skin tips at work, follow me and Basta Acne, DMD. Bye-bye!